Imagine one afternoon of cooking, yielding a week's worth of delicious, nutritious meals. Welcome to the world of meal prepping. By cooking 10 to 12 portions once a week, you can drastically reduce your time in the kitchen. Picture this. Sunday becomes your culinary day. An afternoon of chopping, sautéing, roasting and simmering, and recipes that let you start things cooking and walk away for a while. By the time the sun sets, you've created a bunch of delicious food. Divide those leftovers into individual portions and pop them into the freezer. Suddenly, you've got a variety of homemade meals at your fingertips, ready to be reheated at a moment's notice. No more frantic weeknight cooking. No more relying on unhealthy takeout. Just a few weeks of this routine, and you'll have a veritable library of meal options. A quick spin in the microwave, and voila, dinner is served. Healthy, homemade, and hassle-free. Your friends can even learn that you always have a variety of great food if they want to drop by. That's the magic of meal prepping. So, give it a try. Turn your Sundays into a feast factory and reap the benefits all week long. You'll be amazed at how much time, energy, and money you can save. Welcome to the smarter way of cooking. Welcome to meal prepping.